In a mood of optimism, they named their dog Attila. What they wanted of a dog was strength and fight. The immediate reason for buying him was a series of housebreakings and thefts in the neighborhood, and our householders decided to put more trust in a dog than in the police. The puppy was only a couple of months old, and they were sure in 6 months he would be something to be feared and respected. But as time passed, Attila showed a love of humanity and a gentle behavior that was something unexpected. He stood up 20 inches high and had a large frame, but that was not all. A variety of people entered the gates of the house every day: postmen, bill collector, vendor, and friends. All of them were warmly received by Attila. They only had to stop and smile, and Attila would melt and become best of friends. The people at home did not like this attitude very much. They thought it rather a shame. Somebody comes and steals the flower in the garden, and Attila won't do anything about it, complained the mother. He has better business to do than catch flower thieves, replied the youngest boy. Always the defender of the dog. Well, what? Is that better business? He doesn't sleep all night. Mother, I have often seen him going round the house and watching all night. Oh, really? I am quite alarmed to hear that, said the mother. Please lock him up in a room at night, otherwise he may call in a burglar and show him around. He is the most noiseless dog I have ever seen in my life, said the father. The youngest boy at home did not like this, but the dog justified its criticism. That very night, Ranga, a thief, lived in a hut 3 miles from the town. At nights, he visited the town and broke into houses to steal valuables. That night, Ranga broke into Attila's house. He searched all the trunks and almirahs in the house and made a neat bundle of all jewelries and other valuables he could pick up. He was about to go out when he saw Attila standing in front and looking up at him. Ranga thought that his end had come. He expected the dog to bark, but to his surprise, Attila did not bark. He waited for a moment and then licked Ranga's hand and rolled his eyes. Ranga whispered, I hope you aren't going to bark. Don't worry, I am not that sort, the dog tried to say. The burglar stroked his head. He opened the gate and went out. To his surprise, the dog followed him. Attila's greatest ambition in life was to wander in the street freely. Now he had a good opportunity to fulfill his greatest desire. Attila liked Ranga so much that he wouldn't leave him alone, even for a moment. This sort of companionship got on Ranga's nerves. He requested the dog to leave him, but the dog, unmoved, sat before him with his eyes glued on Ranga. Meanwhile, in the bungalow, Attila's disappearance created a sensation. Didn't I tell you, said the mother, to lock him up? Now some burglar has gone away with him. What a shame! We can hardly tell this to anyone. I think we should after all thank that thief for taking away the dog, said the father. He may keep the jewels as a reward for taking him away. A week after the disappearance of Attila, the eldest son of the family was strolling in the lanes of the city. There he saw Attila trotting behind Ranga on the road. Hey, shouted the young man, at which Ranga turned and thought that the man was shouting at him and broke into a run. Attila, who knew that Ranga wanted to desert him, ran after him. He did not want to lose his friend company at any cost. As a result, he ran so fast that he overtook Ranga and blocked his way. Ranga stumbled over him and fell. As he rolled on the ground, a piece of jewelry flew from his hand, which he was going to sell. The young man recognized the jewels and pounced on Ranga and sat on him. A crowd collected and the police appeared on the scene. Attila was the hero of the day. Even the lady of the house softened towards him. Whatever one might say of Attila, one has to admit that he is very cunning detective. He is too deep for words. It was so good that Attila had no power of speech, otherwise he would have told the truth and lost the position of a hero.